Good morning. This is just a quick explanation of the Python function playing card game that I put together. This is essentially a matching game. So as you can see, what I've done is I've broken up all of the Python functions into 4 parts. So that would be the actual statement of what you want, which would be like this right here where it says design a function to find the area of a rectangle. Then I would actually put on the function definition statement itself. So there's my def statement of rectangle area, width and height would be the 2 arguments. And then I have an explanation, so that's your next part, which would be all in red just like it is when you use PythonFunctionsGame, which is what I use with my kids. And it explains what is accepted and what is returned. And then the algorithm, which is the actual math of what's going to happen, and then you need a return value. So notice that I put in the color coding just like we use for Canopy. If you use a different Python editor, you can still use these. You can just print them off in black and white if you wish. As you can see, they print off on regular paper or cardstock, which you can laminate. There are a total of 9 functions available, and the set comes with directions that explains how to do the game, how students would go around and get points, and at the end of each round who wins. And then there's a key for the teacher explaining the answers to all of the playing card sets, where students would then match up the cards. So these cards get all printed out, cut up, laminated if you want, and then they have the first student in a round goes through and design a function to find the area of a rectangle. They pull one of the direction cards out, and then they have to match it up with a definition. Then the next child has to find, the next student has to find the explanation card, next one has to find the algorithm card, and then the final student in that round has to find the return value card. And if they all match up according to the key, then they get their points, and if they don't, then the teacher can point out, well, your explanation card here is incorrect. And then whoever did that one doesn't get the point, but the student who finds the correct one does. So this is just kind of a fun little matching game to kind of help students better understand the structure of Python functions.